Hello everyone, we are from Group C, pengantar kajian budaya urban class IG-2 would like to present about our project outline. First of all, these are the members in our group. First, my name is Imelda Sunita Ababil, my student number is 054, and the second one is Dessy Angraini Ikhsan, the student number is 056, and the third one is Nurlita royani, the student number is 074, and the fourth one is Winda Larasati Sinaga, the student number is 077, and then Angel Melinda, the student number is 084, and the last, Yasyfa Nida Saffanah, the student number is 085.
The object that we choose is Sanggar Agung Temple. The reason why we choose this object is divided into some points. First is history of object. Sanggar Agung Temple is place of worship for followers of Tridharma or Sanjaya religion, which are Confucianism, Buddhism, and Taoism. This temple built in 1999 by the Sotiaji family with the help of an architect named USH. He is an architect whose works are famous. Next, the purpose of establishing the temple is to foster the spiritual spirit of the Tridharma people and make it as an icon in Surabaya. Dewi Kwan Im statue, which was built 2 years after the temple in 2001, has own history. When an employee saw a woman wearing a white robe walking on water, so it is believed to be the figure of the Dewi Kwan Im. Some of the statues in the Sanggar Agung Temple are decades old, because before it was built, the statues were in the Kwankongbia Temple, which is located 500 kilometers south of the Sanggar Agung Temple and was built in 1978. Kwankongbia Temple has been moved 3 times until the Sanggar Agung Temple was built. The second point is characteristics or uniqueness of the object. Sanggar Agung Temple is not only used as a place of worship, but also for social and tourism activities. The location of the temple is above the sea. Because usually temple built on the ground, Sanggar Agung Temple is the unique one. The cultural blend in the architecture of the building is also unique, because it is different from other temples in Indonesia, which usually just use Chinese architecture. The statue of Dewi Kwan Im, along with 2 statues of gods and 4 statues of the heavenly Maharaja who protect the 4 corners of the world, and a pair of heavenly dragon statues as guardians. Maha Brahma Stupa is located behind the temple facing the road, inaugurated on 9 November 2004 and attended by religious leaders. The statue also received a Muri record as the largest 4-faced Buddha in Indonesia. The third point is potential art and culture on Sanggar Agung Temple. First is art. The Sanggar Agung Temple building was built on an area of approximately 4,000 square meters, which has a Balinese-style building combined with Javanese and Chinese culture without reducing the value of the Tridharma or Sanjaya teachings. The floor in the front yard of the building has a symbol of Chinese philosophy, namely yin and yang. This symbol usually used to describe the nature of the interconnected and opposing forces in this world and how they build on each other. The temple window building adopted Chinese art style. The colors were chosen in the building's architecture also have striking Chinese colors, so this temple is still using Chinese style, especially on the window and color selection. The ornaments that are located on the wall has the value of Tridharma teachings combined with Balinese art. On the floor side of the building also has a relief of flora and fauna, which is also Balinese in style. Meanwhile, the roof of the building adopts the architectural style of Javanese culture. Under the statue of Dewi Kwan Im, which is 20 meters high, there are 2 heavenly dragons, each of which is 6 meters high. Next is cultural point. The Sanggar Agung Temple is a place of worship for Tridharma or Sanjaya religion, namely Confucianism, Buddhism, and Taoism. Apart from being used as a place of worship, Sanggar Agung Temple is also a tourist attraction place for the people of Surabaya and outside Surabaya who want to visit. Apart from being attended by Tridharma followers, major celebrations such as the Chinese New Year, which are held regularly every year at the location of the Sanggar Agung Temple, are also attended by various groups of residents of Surabaya and outside Surabaya who have different beliefs. And because of its location on Ria Kenjeran Beach, Sanggar Agung Temple is often used as a nuclear place for tourists' ancestors, especially those who were buried by cremation. The fourth point of the object selection is urgency. Indonesia is a country that has the motto Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, which means different but still one. The motto of Bhinneka Tunggal Ika comes from the Sutasoma book, which was created by Empu Tantular. The word Bhinneka means multiple, Tunggal means one, and Ika means that. The government set Bhinneka Tunggal Ika as the official slogan of Indonesia on 17 October 1951. This was established through Government Regulation Number 66 of 1951 concerning the state emblem. The motto illustrates that the differences that Indonesians have in terms of ethnicity, race, and religion do not differentiate their status as an Indonesian nation. The Sanggar Agung Temple illustrates the good application of this diversity because even though the temple is a place of worship for the Tridharma followers, other religious followers also help with these worship activities, such as the administrators who also have various beliefs and visitors who also come from various ethnic groups, races, and religion.
Okay, next to part B, the form of the audiovisual product that is selected as an output. So, we chose vlog as the audiovisual product. The reason are because it is most preferable, and when we choose vlog, we have to visit the temple so we can get valid information and sources. And about the content, in opening, there are show the temple and greetings. In main topic, there are explain about the temple, and then interview and pictures of the temple. In closing, there are recap first, and then recommendation or quotes, closing greetings, pictures, and the last is closing video template.
So let's go into the part C, members division of role. So we have Yasyfa as cameraman. Yasyfa is responsible during video production and take pictures and videos while production is in progress. Yasyfa also submit documentation to the editor. And then we have editor Nurlita and is obligated to edit the documentation the cameraman has taken and also ensure the completeness of the video content according to the concept list. Next, we have Imelda as the host. So Imelda guide the production process and also give questions by interviewing the interviewee. There is also researcher Angel. Angel conducts research on location and object at the Sanggar Agung Temple. Next, we have concept creator Winda. So Winda must formulate interview questions and determine the concept of video content. Next, we have scriptwriter Dessy. She types the script for the host during the video, which consists of opening. They have greetings and introduction text, content. It's about the object to be reviewed, and there's also closing, which contains of summary, suggestion, and closing statement. Last is about the timeline of our project. On 10 April 2021, we have the first discussion and division of tasks through Zoom and WA group. And 23rd April, we have submission of group presentation through Aula or e-learning. Next, May, in 29th, we have pre-production, field research, and on June the 3rd, we have concept creating. Meanwhile, in 5th, we have script creating. In the 19, we have video shooting, which is the production process, and 26 we have post-production, which is video editing. And then on July the 10th, we have video publication on YouTube as the final submission.
Okay, that's all from us. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.